Most people either overpack or forget something critical. We've traveled across the US, Europe, Asia, and South America without checking bags, just to carry on a personal item, and today we'll show you exactly how we do it.
This isn't about packing light from just to be minimalist. It's about packing smart so that you can move easily, avoid checked bag tassels, and be ready for almost anything.
Okay, let's get into what works.
The key is this: everything we pack has to earn its place. We follow 4 rules. Everything has to make sense for the trip. Everything works within a coordinated color palette. We pack for up to 10 days, and if the trip is longer, we plan on packing for about a week and doing laundry. And we always leave room to bring things home.
We choose one rolling carry-on suitcase and one personal item. And the personal item is usually a backpack, sometimes a tote. Either one has to fit under the seat in front of us. The key here is consistency. Once you find a setup that works for you, stick with it so packing becomes automatic. Now let's talk about filling the bag, because this is where most people go wrong.
We built a capsule wardrobe: 7 to 8 tops, 2 to 3 bottoms, extra pair of jeans, a pair of slacks, maybe some shorts or sweats, 1 or 2 layering pieces, plus 1 dressier option if needed. Plus, we had undergarments, sleepwear, and compression socks for long flights. Everything has to mix and match. And I also sometimes throw in a couple of scarves because for women, adding a scarf can just totally change the look and feel of whatever you're wearing.
We use packing cubes to stay organized, and we label them so we know exactly what's inside each cube. I like to organize by city. That way I know I have what I need for each stop on our trip, and I don't have to unpack everything at the first stop or at any particular stop.
I do it differently. I group by type: shirts in 1 cube, undergarments in another, sleepwear in a third. That way I can see everything and decide what I want to wear each day.
The point is to have a system that works for you. We also pack a small cube in our personal item with 1 change of clothes. If a bag gets gate checked or delayed, we're covered. As we go, used clothes go into plastic compression bags. That keeps everything contained and frees up space.
Shoes take up the most space, so we limit them. We wear the bulkiest pair on the plane, usually sneakers or boots, and we pack no more than 2 extra pairs: 1 dressier option and 1 casual or multi-use pair like sports sandals.
This is what makes the whole system work for longer trips. If we're traveling more than 10 days, we plan ahead and use a local laundry service.
We usually find them on Google Maps or Yelp, and we double check the hours before we go.
We drop things off in the morning and pick them up later that day or the next day. It's easy, affordable, and it means we don't have to overpack.
What's really important is what we don't pack. We don't pack more than 1 just in case outfit. Anything bulky that doesn't compress well, and anything that we're not sure that we'll actually use. If it's bulky and you need it, you're wearing it on the plane.
If you're asking, do I really need this? It probably doesn't belong in your bag. With this system, you can travel almost anywhere with just a carry-on and a personal item and skip baggage claim entirely.
In our next video, we'll show you exactly what we pack in our personal item and the airline rules that can trip people up if you're not careful.
If this was helpful, subscribe for more practical travel, home, and lifestyle strategies.
Better living starts now. See you next time.